it's Yumi from KidToyTesters, and I am here with the Aquapod. And all I have to do is pull the string and it launches. So you guys ready to see me launch it? Okay. I need a countdown. Someone give me a countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0!
Look at this! This bottle went flying like, and then it came down over here. Look at that distance and then the height. Wow, that was so cool! Oh my gosh! But Aquapod, thank you very much for saying this to us. Let's do one more time. Gosh, that was awesome! Yeah! That was like an actual rocket propeller! I'm gonna go grab it. No. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab it. One more. We're gonna do one more launching. I can't refuse, we need to do it. It demands it. This is the third one, and they have worked all success and all awesome. So, ready? Countdown, please!
10.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go grab it.
Ready to